Question number 3b. This is given on projection of planes. Here a regular pentagon of 40 mm side is given to us, which is resting in VP on one of its edge, and the surface is making an angle of 45 degrees with VP, that is phi. So the question belongs to inclination with one plane. As the resting edge is given in VP, the true shape without considering any angle will be visible in front view. Now starting with the solution, drawing the XY line first, taking a vertical projector. On this vertical projector, distance above HP is not mentioned. I'm taking this distance as 40 mm and I am taking this as the first side of the pentagon. You have to remember that the resting side is always taken on left in case of planes. Drawing two lines as horizontal projectors in order to take the inclination here. The included angle for a pentagon is 108. Similarly on this side. Joining them. Now using compass, taking this distance 40 mm, cutting an arc on this side and this side. Now using these points in order to find the remaining two sides of the pentagon. For our understanding, let us label this pentagon as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. Join these in sequence. As it is resting in VP, so the first front view will be completely on XY line. Here will be corresponding top view names A, B, C, E and D. Now you have to take this top view and incline it at a given angle, which is 45 degrees with VP. So taking a vertical projector, taking the inclination here, now transferring the length. So from A to D first, then from A again to C. So this is our A, B resting side on VP. This is the point C and E, and this is D. By taking these projectors up and finding the intersection points, you can join them. A and B are on this line. Here the intersection is this. Name will be changed here because the dimension will be changed. The shape is changed. Similarly, C is on this line. E is also on this line. D. So C from this on this line. So C, this will be the intersection point C1 dash. D is on this line. So this becomes D1 dash. And this becomes our E1 dash. Joining them in sequence. The last thing is you have to give the dimensions. This angle is given as phi here, and this completes the solution.